I'm gonna show you how I turn about 5 pounds of carrots into some juice. I get all the bioavailable nutrients out of the juice. Sometimes I eat them, sometimes I just want to drink the juice. It's so delicious, you wouldn't even think about it as being sweet. Straight carrot juice is very sweet. If you're busy smashing donuts, this might not taste so sweet. To me, it's very sweet. I've had this for years now. It's my favorite kitchen appliance. It's just amazing. It's cold press, masticating, twin-auger, surgical stainless steel. This thing's lasting for years and years. This is not your normal Breville plastic juicer. You can buy those. There's nothing necessarily wrong with it in the sense that, but there's a lot of plastic parts, so the quality's not as good. Got a lot of plastic parts, so you're juicing, you're chopping it up, you're grinding it all with plastic parts potentially. Then you're also storing it. It ain't it. Just like anything else, if you want something high quality, it's worth the money to spend up front and get the best one. Because when I was doing this for my dad in Gerson Therapy, we're doing so much produce. Produce is not cheap when you think about it, and the yields that you get off of it, it's not comparable. You would be able to make the difference up in the cost of the juicer fairly quickly if you juice a lot. Meaning that the same 5 pounds of carrots that you juice with a inferior product is gonna be significantly less than what I can do with this. Over time, you're gonna yield more, which is gonna save you more at the store when you're buying fresh produce. Really, it's just worth it because after a certain amount of time, you're gonna make your money back. You're just gonna have just a better product that's gonna last. You're not gonna have to worry about stuff breaking. This stuff is already pretty dry. You can see how light and fluffy this carrot is. The secret is you run it through twice because there's still moisture in there. You get even more juice out of it. Then do as you will with the rest of it when it's trash. It could be trash, put it in your compost. That's really how you are able to eat 5 pounds of carrots. Instead of eating it, drink it, juice it. It's great for you. It's one of my favorite juices. One tip that I like to give in most juicing situations is if you add a green apple, it not only tastes in terms of green juices, it really helps with, the mixture helps with making it more bioavailable. It helps your body absorb the juice better with the green apple mixed in. This one little nugget of information will help up your juicing game as we speak. Keep experimenting, keep refining, and remember, faith, food, form, simplified.